Hi, I'm Mike Schramstad of cdocs.com, and welcome to the tip of the day. I wanted to make a quick tip on exactly what occlusal offset does. There's a lot of confusion around occlusal offset, so hopefully this will clear things up. Now, what occlusal offset technically does is it only affects the restoration if it's being grinded with diamonds. If you're milling with carbide burrs, occlusal offset will not show up in your manufacturing phase. Now we know that that left step burr diamond tends to mill the base and the margin up to around the equator of the restoration, and the pointed cylinder does the opposite side, the occlusion, down into the equator of the restoration. Now what ends up happening when we're grinding restorations with friction is these burrs tend to micro bend. Now the more the burrs micro bend, the more it's going to mill off of your design target. Now, different things that affect this micro bending are going to be what burrs you use, if you're fast milling or slow milling. There's lots of different things. The material is going to affect this, so you have to be aware. Now, generally, we recommend that you set it at -175. If you're finding at -175 that things are actually a little bit too high or a little bit out of occlusion, you can adjust it as necessary. Now, here's what occlusal offset theoretically does. When we go ahead and design a restoration in the CEREC software, we're going to call that our target, what we're trying to design to. Now, what the software will actually mill is a little bit different. It's actually going to mill a little bit higher. Now, this is going to affect the occlusion and the lumen surface. So if we're not actually milling to the target, if we're milling slightly off of the target due to the micro bending of burrs, we need occlusal offset to go ahead and actually remove these areas, okay? So if we set it at -175, the idea is we're going to bring the restoration back to the overall target and our occlusion should be good. So again, occlusal offset only for grinding restorations with diamonds, not for milling with carbides. We like to set it at -175 and that should give you proper occlusion. For more information on this topic and many others, please visit us at cdocs.com. Thank you.